Hey guys, Matt here with Fix Anything, Save Money. Today we're going to be doing a tune-up on the Honda HRN model. The full model number is HRN216VKAA. So pretty much for this, what we're going to be doing is an oil change, filter change, spark plug, and then we're going to be swapping out the blades. So one of the things that I recently found was there's a mower shop online through Amazon, and they sell packages of everything. So you could just get an all-in-one package. I think it's like 40 or 50 bucks. It comes with a blade, a new spark plug, a new filter, and then the little bottle of oil that goes in. So it's a pretty awesome deal, and it's everything you need to service your lawnmower. So it's figured it's almost springtime and get her serviced. I figured a lot of people would be starting to do the same, so wanted to make a video on it. I'll post a link in the description of where I got this tune-up kit at on Amazon, and that way if you guys have similar models, I think the tune-up kit fits multiple models. So check the link below and hopefully it fits your mower, and you could just buy that one. But otherwise, just do a quick search with your model and the tune-up kit will come right up for your specific mower. So just real quick, I'll walk you through everything on this mower. The front right here, there's your spark plug. So before you do any work or do anything at all, disconnect the spark plug. And we're gonna actually be taking it out in a second here, just because we're gonna be replacing it anyway with the tune-up, so might as well take that out first. That's where your oil goes. That's obviously gas. Another thing you want to do if you're storing it over the winter indoors especially is just run the mower out of gas on your last cut. Just run it right out, and then you don't have to worry about your carburetor getting clogged up or anything like that. Or if you're going to be storing it outside and you have a full tank or half a tank, then I recommend putting some sort of fuel stabilizer in, letting that run for a few minutes, just so that the gas that has the stabilizer mix in it gets into the carburetor, and that way you won't have any issues come springtime when you start it back up. And then this right here, this is your air filter, and you can see you could access that by pushing these tabs down. It pops right out. Filter comes out. This is a new filter, so we'll just put that back in. But that's how you would change the filter. In that shop, when you actually buy the package, it even comes with a little sticker so that you can write your date of service. And then when you put this cover back on, you just want to put these clips up on that, and then it slides up, and then just clip it in. Okay, so that's how you change the filter. And this is just that's if you want to use a bag or if you're going to be mulching your grass. This shuts off your fuel, so you could shut it off if you want. That's off. That's on. I had it shut off already. Okay, so let's remove the spark plug. So for that, you're gonna need 3/16 spark plug socket. Okay, so now the plug's out. And this plug, if you're just gonna buy it, there's the number for it. BPR5ES NGKR. Okay, so now our plug's out. Our gas is off. So now we'll drain the oil, and I'll show you why we do it in this order. So to drain the oil, there's no drain plug or anything like that. Hold your catch pan up. And then just pick your mower straight up. Let it drain right into the catch pan. And then as that's draining, I'll show you what I like to do. So while the oil's draining, we can get a look at the underside and get the blades off. And what I like to do is clean up. I already did it, it already looks clean, but I like to take a paint scraper and a wire brush and just clean up. Get all the grass out of here and wire brush it all. And then I take black Rust-Oleum spray paint and then just spray any part that's metal. Like this is all plastic, so that's obviously, you know, that's not gonna rust out on you. This is all plastic right here, but all this is metal. So I'll scrape it, wire brush it, and then spray it with Rust-Oleum every season, or every other season really. But if you have time to do it every season, it couldn't hurt. So to get the blades off, you want to take these two bolts out. They're 14 millimeter, so you use a 14 millimeter socket to twist, but you'll see as you're twisting, your blade's gonna twist. So what you want to do is get a block of wood and just put it somewhere where it's gonna catch. So you can actually, it's hard to do this while I'm filming, but you can see that that's kind of wedged in there. And now you can loosen your bolt, loosen your other, and then just be mindful when you're taking these off. I like to minimize any screw up of putting them on backwards when I'm going to go put them back on or put the new set back on. But I like to just take them off, holding them together, because these have two blades in them. And then when you take them apart, keep them together like that. And then when you take the new ones out of the package, just make sure they line up, they look like that. And then you put them back on the same way so you don't get confused, and put them on in reverse. So now we'll show you how to get them back on. Line up the holes. Stick your first one in. And get it started. And you can take these off, and if you don't want to buy the whole package, you can sharpen them. If you have a vise and a grinder, you can sharpen these blades back up. But for the price of the whole kit, I mean, it's 50 bucks. You're already saving money if you were going to take it somewhere and get it tuned up. All they would probably do is just put new oil in it and sharpen the blades themselves and charge you 50 or 60 bucks. So with this, at least you get, you know, they might change the spark plug too, but with this, you get the spark plug, you get the filter, the blades, the oil, you get it all. So you'll see we're gonna have the same issue when we go to tighten these. Only the opposite. So we'll get the block right here. Tighten them back down, and you want these to be pretty secure. So that's how you take care of the deck. Change the blades out, paint it. And then while you're doing that, your oil is now fully drained. You could tilt your mower back up. We'll just throw a little funnel in here. And then this is the oil that comes with that kit. It's just regular 10W30 Honda genuine oil, and it's the 12-ounce container. So you just pretty much pour the entire container in, and you could put your dipstick back in if you're like 3/4 of the way through if you want and check it. But the mower takes the whole bottle. So we'll fill it back up with oil. And then you can take your oil from your pan, put it right back in here, and just take it to Advance or O'Reilly or any auto parts store takes oil back as long as it's pure oil. Put our new spark plug back in. Tighten it down. Put your cap back on. Just make sure that's pushed in correctly. You'll hear it pop in. And there you have it, guys. Oil's changed. Spark plug's changed. Filter's changed. Blades are changed. And your deck's cleaned off. It's everything you need to start mowing again this season. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to Fix Anything, Save Money. I'll see you next time.